Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. In 1984, our family immigrated to Vancouver from Macau. I was 9 years old. So I grew up in Vancouver. I went to high school here in Vancouver East and graduated from UBC with a double major in Asian Studies and Economics. Throughout high school, I did a lot of part-time jobs, including many sales. After graduation from university, I was hired in TELUS and I was telemarketer for 5 years. So I'm very comfortable on the phone. In 1996, I also had a part-time job with a project marketing company. So I'm very familiar with project sales. In 2003, I got my license in real estate and I focused on residential sales. In 2004, I was Rookie of the Year in my previous company. And since then, I've been a realtor for now 17 years. In 2004, I was awarded Rookie of the Year in the first real estate company I joined. And in 2005, I got my first year medallion. Medallion is top 10% of all realtors in Greater Vancouver. So since 2005, I've been top 10%. That's the last 16 years. I've been top 10%. And of those 16 years, 9 of those years, I'm top 1% of all realtors in Greater Vancouver. Combining the last 16 years of sales, I have experience with over 1,000 real estate transactions. And I can help you get the top dollar for your property. If you're interested in selling, please contact me at melissawu.com or text or call me on my cell phone at 604-783-8272. And one more thing I want to inform you is in 2017, I also had the experience of opening my own boutique luxury brokerage. We have onboarded over 100 Vancouver agents. Combine the entire brokerage in the 2 years that we were in operation, we have had sales over 500 million. But because, brokerage actually go broker, it was not a profitable business. In 2019, we have closed the brokerage and I have onboarded eXp Realty. It's one of the best decisions that I've made. And I was also awarded Icon Agent in 2020. I've been honored to have this privilege. If you're interested in a career or curious about what eXp offers, please contact me at melissawu.com or call or text me at 604-783-8272. Happy New Year!